Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this leg elevation pillow. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, this pillow comes compressed in a plastic bag just like this. So all you need to do is take it out and allow it to expand. Take a look. As I am taking it out of the package, it is immediately expanding. So you do want to allow this about 24 hours to fully expand, but I want to show you just within seconds how much it's already expanded. Now this does have like some Velcro right here. You are able to change the elevation. So if you don't want it as high, you could simply remove this layer, or you could go ahead and add it for additional length. So another good feature about this pillow is that you could actually adjust the height. So as you can see, this adds about a 1 inch of extra height to this. So if in case you want to, you could simply remove this. It has Velcro right here. So you'll go ahead and take off the additional layer. And now it is just one size. This is perfect if you have had surgery, if you are wanting to rest your feet while you sleep. It helps out relieve some of that pressure, so you could go ahead and keep your foot nice and elevated. Now the fabric here, it is nice and soft, and then on the inside it is memory foam. So it does have a zipper right here, so I'm going to just show you that. You could simply unzip it. Let me show you the inside. So it does have that memory foam inside. If you place your hand or your foot or anything like that, it's going to get its original shape. Once you remove your foot, your leg, it's going to go ahead and retain that original shape. Now, this is machine washable. So all you gotta do is simply remove the cover and toss this into your washing machine. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. So if you've been on the lookout, or you know someone that has been looking for an elevation pillow, maybe they just recently had surgery, or they just want to keep their feet elevated or use it to rest their feet maybe at the end of a long day, long shift, then definitely check this one out. Overall, I would highly recommend. I think the quality of it is actually very, very nice. It is simple to set up, take it out of the package, allow it to get its shape, and it is ready to use. So I'll go ahead and leave it linked down below. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.